Rarely do I think about everything I touch in a single day. Not in the sense of possibly unclean surfaces, but in a general way. What am I holding right now? Do I touch different things in winter than in summer? Do I often touch things that are simply beautiful? Much of it goes through my hands without me paying attention. When something serves orientation or function, I often hardly register it. A tactile experience, on the other hand, stays in memory for a long time. And sometimes I encounter things that clearly say, "Don't touch me." Every year I look forward to foxglove blooming in the forest. The flowers are so beautiful and elegant that it is easy to forget they are the most poisonous plants in our region, and it is better to enjoy them from a distance. It is not for everyone, but I want to try it every time. Is a snail willing to crawl across a hand? Is my hand pleasant enough for it? In the wildlife park, I feel a little like a child again. Whenever I buy strawberries, I always have something ambitious in mind, a cake or a fancy dessert. But it almost always ends up being the simplest thing instead. Just cream, a little sugar, and for me that's perfect. Small encounters are a bit like that. Some are special and stay in my memory for a long time. Most of them are simple, ordinary, and easy to miss. Even when I hardly notice them, they make my day a little more special. And that's exactly how I like it.